Every child deserves to thrive in the classroom, no matter their unique mental or physical needs. But navigating the special education system can feel overwhelming. That's where this book comes in. This guide is a step-by-step blueprint to understanding and maximizing special education services and classroom accommodations. Written in simple, reassuring language, Kat McGrady walks you through every stage of the special education process. Learn about the types of disorders that qualify for services, how to request testing, and the roles of everyone involved in your child's educational treatment plan. Discover how to collect data, collaborate with school staff, and advocate for the accommodations your child is entitled to by law. Gain insights into cultural factors that influence treatment plans and guidance for navigating the emotional challenges of diagnosis and advocacy. From glossary terms to summaries of key legal cases, this guide is packed with tools to empower parents at every step. Written by Kat McGrady, an experienced educator, counselor, and therapist, this book reflects decades of expertise and care. Praised as a treasure chest for parents and a map for navigating school partnerships, this book is a must-read for families. Empower yourself to help your child reach their full potential. Get your copy of Navigating Your Child's Unique Mental and Physical Needs, A Parent's Guide to School Support, today.